Hi friends, we are going to unbox today BB Craft package, and this is awesome. I placed an order and here it is. So let's see what I got. I'm so excited to show you guys what I got this time from BB Craft. So here is what it is. Let's see one by one. Okay, so I bought 8 items totally. Okay, in this order I have 8 items, as you guys can see. I'll go over every item one by one. The first item I want to show you guys is this 10 strand crystals. These are, I believe, 2 by 3 roundel crystals, and there is 10 strands in it. And as you guys can see, this is so cute, so pretty. Oh my god, it's amazing. I should have gotten more of these. There is 10 strands and these are 2 by 3 millimeter crystal roundels. The shining is pretty well, and I think even the camera is picking it up properly. And these are full strands. These are 15-inch strands. These are not small ones. 15.5-inch to 16-inch strand, and we have 10 strands here in total. Okay, and the price, you won't believe it, it's $1.42 only. It's from BB Craft. The link for every item in this unboxing will be linked below, and you also get a promotion. You also get a coupon with this called iShoe10. I will leave down the description box below the coupon code as well for the 10% off your entire purchase. You can avail that too. So the next one is also similar, but these, I think these are 3 by 2.5. Maybe this is 3 by 2, maybe something like that. And they are very very reasonable price. And this is also a 10 strand one, as you guys can see. Such a pretty purplish lavender, I would say, color. Very nice. As you guys can see, there is 10 strands of these as well. The shine, the coating, the glitter is really awesome. This is a transparent, this is opaque. I thought I will get 2 of them and show you guys how pretty it is. And it is 10 strands as well, and the price of this is only $1.53. I repeat, $1.53. That's an awesome value. Then I got this. I selected everything. So this is a charm findings box. Okay, and this is the code if you want to screenshot it or look at it at bbcraft.com. And this one is very interesting for me. So just remove this. This is Beads product from BB Craft. So here we go. You have a storage box as well that you can store, and they are in the Ziploc. This is how I want you guys to store these, because Ziplocs actually prevent them from changing color as well. See how cute it is. I will just move these on the side, and I will just move our crystals up over here so that we can go through these charms. And it does come with the jumpring already. All you need to do is open up the jumpring and add it to your favorite piece of jewelry. That's all. This is a shell, okay, and it is plated completely. So perfect for summer or a beach one. These are beach theme as well. This is a starfish. See how big a jumpring is. It is a 10mm jumpring, 18 gauge jumpring that's already attached to the finding, so it's easier for you to, you know, attach it to the bracelet, earrings, or even a necklace, whatever you have, anklet, you name it. So this is a crab, very cute blue color enamel crab, and we have a real shell, and it's drilled, and that is also ready to be added. So we have 2 shells. Okay, I think, oh, this fish is really cute, very very pretty. These are, I think, brass items, and this is a tortoise, very nice. We have another crab right here, so maybe we have 2 of each, is what I believe. So let me find, you know, oh, this is that anchor thing, anchor charm, so that's also very cute. So we have multiple crabs. Okay, that's a very nice pink, baby pink. We have 2 of the baby pinks and 2 of the baby blues. I really like the crab charm a lot. And then we have starfish, not only in the gold starburst kind of a thing, we also have one in enamel, and we have 2 of the fish charm. So you can convert this into a earring because it is a pair for you guys. Oh my god, the seahorse is adorable, and they're double-sided as well. I love the seahorse a lot. So we have 2 of the star charms as well, and then dolphins. Let's see how cute they are, and as I said, they are already in the jump ring, and then all you need to do is open up and attach it to it. So the dolphins are really adorable, very very cute. I love the dolphins. You can make a earring, you can make, you know, anklets, so many. Oh my god, this fish, so cute, very 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 pretty enamel charm. And also, oh my goodness, I think that's a whale or dolphin with the enamel, I guess. I don't know, but these are cute, white and black. Oh my god, we have a starfish in pink as well. That's nice. We have 2 starfishes in pink, 2 in blue, and 2 in the gold color. That's really really wonderful. I love it. All the charms are 2, so that way we can add it to our project, earring project as well. If you have that in mind, you can add that as well. So this is very 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 pretty. I love it. So this is again an anchor symbol, 2 of them. The cowrie seashell is what they call this, I guess. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong, but this is, I think, maybe, I don't know, some kind of a shellfish is what it is. I'm not very good with that name, but I think a lobster maybe. So cute. So very very cute charms they are all. I love each and every one. Let me know in the comments below which one is your favorite, and I still have the crabs to be my favorite. Very very cute, very very cute charms. And we have this many: 4, 6, 8, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 20, 21, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15 pairs of charms in this box, and this box costs $2.47 only. Okay, I scored it right. Then comes this one right here. So I wanted this cone shaped finding to make tassels and stuff like that. See how nicely they are packaged. So, and we have a box. This box is extremely useful when you want to store your stuff. I know Ziploc is a good option, but if it is a clear box, you will know exactly what you have stored and easy to pick up from your stash. It's a Panda Hall item, and this is the barcode if you, and the number if you want to check it out. I will leave down the description box below the link for all of these things as well. But still, again, inside a box, inside a Ziploc. So I'm gonna move this up a bit so that we can have enough space for all the items that we bought. See how nicely it dangles. I love these charms. They are my cutie pies. I like it a lot. As you guys can see, these are big cones. Big cone findings. So about, say, let me check how long they are. They are 3/4 of an inch. So see the details there. Very nice ones. We have it in bronze. We have it in antique gold. We have it in silver. So all three of the colors we have. So an entire box of that is here. I think there is 56 pieces or something like that in this. Okay, let me count for you guys. That way you will know exactly how much we got. So these are all very cute, right? 10, 15, 20. Wow, we have more, I think. 20, 25, 28 in the gold. 28, 29 in the gold. Okay. Then in the bronze, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Actually, I think that's 30 in the antique gold, 30 in the bronze, and 30 in the silver. So totally we have 90 pieces in this box, and the price for this is $2.96 only, guys. So you can't beat the price, right? I really like it a lot. I wanted to have this in my arsenal to make some tassel earrings and stuff like that. I will show you guys. That's what I have in mind for that cone beads. That is a finding. It's like a bead cap, but it's an elongated bead cap, so that you can make tassels of beaded earrings and stuff like that. Even thread tassels and stuff, you can do it. The next thing that we have is this. This is a cord, which is, I think, 0.4 millimeter or I think that's what it is. And I got this, which is I believe this is 0.4 millimeter, and this is maybe 0.2 or 3. I'm not so sure. I got this. This is like $5.59, and I wanted this. I will tell you guys why I got this in a bit, but I really think that this is thin enough to go even through gemstones, like the pearls and everything. So that's really a nice color to work with. And this is what the UPC code is, if you want to take a screenshot and look into it. So that's about it. And then this is the star of the show, guys. So this Freshwater Pearls beads, I got these. It is total 10 strand, and it is only $16.71 in total. Okay, I wanted to get Freshwater Pearls, and this is the UPC code for that, and it's a 10 strand, as you guys can see. So I really wanted to show knotting of the pearls. So there is 10 strands in this total. For the price, I think this is a nice Freshwater Pearl strand that I want to work with. I'll show you guys how we are going to use this. So this I got purely to make knotted necklaces and show you guys how easy it is to do so. And then this is how it is. See how much, very very pretty. I like it. The luster is really nice. Nice strands, and there is 10 strands for $16.71. Okay, I'm gonna make necklaces and bracelets, wrap bracelets out of it. And you can also make anklets with this pearl and the charm. The thing is, if you wear freshwater pearl necklaces or even bracelets without any tangles which will tarnish or something, you can even wear it to shower, and the pearls actually disintegrates with water, and it goes into your skin, and it's good for your skin. So if you are planning to make some plain necklaces or so, you can do so, and it is really nice. In India, they always have this kind of pearl jewelry, and they wear it permanently, so that it just, they will say it just what to say, it dissolves bit by bit. It won't dissolve and become a seed bead or something. No, not like that. But over the time, when you wear it for months and months, then you will see a reduction in size, because it has dissolved in the water, and it has been absorbed by your body. So that's a good thing about freshwater pearls. The other two things I placed an order for is a 24 karat gold plated beads and jumprings. So those two are a little bit expensive, but I wanted to show you guys you can get this exclusive stuff also in BB Craft, and it doesn't break your bank. So I really wanted to show you guys that. And this one is $4.45, and these are really teeny tiny ones, and this is the UPC code for that. So see this, very cute. If you want to add between the pearls, that will be really nice, right? And it won't tarnish, and you can, as I said, you can wear it permanently as well to shower and everything. So that's, I just don't want to take it out, it might fall, and you have a perfect box to store that in as well. Again, last but not least, this is the 24 karat gold plated jump ring, guys. So this is the UPC code for that, and this costs about $4.91. Inside we have silver, antique silver, gold, and bright silver, 3 different color tones. We have 20 pieces in each. 20 pieces in silver, 20 pieces in gold, and 20 pieces in antique silver. So these are twisted rings, twisted jump rings, which is very pretty. Very nice ones. So that's that. So I have showed everything that I got in the box as well. So this is what I got. The 24 karat gold beads, and the bead caps or the cone shape findings. So this is what I got from BB Craft. I will leave down the description box below the link for everything that you see here. Plus also I will leave down this description box below the link for bbcraft.com homepage. You can check it out, and there are a lot of sales right now going on for Thanksgiving, so do check them out, and also use my special coupon code ISHOOT10 for a 10% off on your entire purchase. And stay tuned for the projects with all these goodies. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this unboxing video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to hit the bell icon for notification. I do upload videos couple of times a week. Thanks so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.